Sound is invisible, but it can be physical. It can touch something. It can make an impression.
You ever think about how you want your life to look?
Not really.
I have a hobby in the summers, collecting songs. Just come.
Put your hand on your throat. Now hum. Feel something? That sound.
You worry at all? What we're doing?
What we're doing?
You know, this.
I don't worry.
I think I admire you.
Don't sing love songs, you'll wake my mother.
I leave this week to war.
She's sleeping here right by my side. In her right hand is silver.
I guess I feel like I'm at the end of something.
She says that I can't be your bride.
The end of something? What was the beginning?
You got a whole life ahead of you, a bigger life. You have no idea what I know, what I've seen, about how things work.
Her right hand is silver. She says that I can't be your bride.
Would you forgive me for looking back?